Have you ever wanted to be known as that one innovative person? Well, we're here to show you 14 super innovative homemade DIY hacks that'll make you look super cool. Number 14, keep calm and carry on. For this one, you'll need an old picture frame that you don't use anymore. With a white marker drawn on the front, the format for keep calm and carry on, especially the crown on the logo. Flip it to the other side and outline it with a black marker and flip it on the front again and erase it. Now it looks complete. You can hang it on a wall and it looks super cool. Number 13, avoid a big mess in the fridge. For this one, grab a folder or a book holder and place it in the fridge. With all of the cans, you can place them in the holder and now it's a lot less messier. Anyways, let's move on. Number 12, avoid dropping items. For this one, all you need to do is glue a book holder onto the side of a closet door and place the items that you don't want to fall into there. Now it's protected and you will most likely never drop them again. Number 11, messy home desk. For this, all you need to do is place 2 magnets on the side of your home tables and place your pencil holders onto this. Now you have some more room on your desk because you can place pencils, pens, a ruler into these pencil holders. Number 10, box shirt fold system. For this one, if you cut a cardboard box into 4 different sections like so, we know when we first begin folding clothes, it's not in the best style. So with this box that's cut up, we can help show you how to fold very easily. Simply place your shirt upside down onto it and fold the left and right sides of the box as well as the bottom, and then you'll notice your shirt is perfectly folded. Not only does it help you, but it teaches you how to successfully do it like this. Number 9, don't turn off the TV by accident. You always want to avoid doing this, which is why you can get a bamboo napkin and place it on the arm of the couch. If you place house slippers with a small amount of tape on the back of them onto the napkin, you can place your remote there as well. Number 8, cook a potato. For this one, it's a crazy way to cook a potato. You'll need 4 toothpicks. Stab it into the potato in 4 different places and take it to where it's standing and cook it in the microwave. Once you bake it in the microwave for 5 minutes, your potatoes should perfectly look like this, with a soft inside. Number 7, more room in your closet. For this one, tie 2 ropes to your clothes dresser and attach them at the bottom. Now, you can start hanging up your clothes and keep track of how many clothes you're actually putting down. You can place clothes at the bottom, but anyways, number 6 on our list. Number 6, how to split an apple. For this one, you'll need to grab an apple by the stem and start spinning it around a few times until the stem is weakened and will come off. Now, if you want to open the apple, all you have to do is use your 2 thumbs and break it apart. It seems like it's hard, but try it. Number 5, less mess in your room. With this one, you can grab a folder holder or a divider and place it in your bookshelf. If you really want organization, this will make you have less of a mess and organize a lot better. Number 4, avoid your trash bag from falling down. We know we all hate it when you throw something in the trash and the bag falls to the bottom. All you need to do is stick a backpack hanger on the trash bin and it won't fall down anymore. We hope this one was really helpful. Number 3, Lego wall keeps your key. For this one, attach a Lego wall to your wall. Place a key holder inside of the Lego and now you can attach it to the wall and never ever lose your key. Number 2, watch videos while in the shower. Before we get anything done, make sure your phone or tablet is covered in a waterproof bag. Get 3 backpack hangers, use one supporting the top and 2 to support the bottom of your device. Slide it in there and you can watch videos. Number 1, more room in the bathroom. For this one, you need to grab a mini table and flip it upside down and hang it onto the wall. We know, this sounds super crazy. Remove the bottom leg from it and you can now place your items. But anyways guys, that's all we had for you guys today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!